Like embroidery, books are elaborately inscribed in the book. Printing woodblocks from the wood containing the breath of Joseon's Confucian scholars. Confucian study based on humanity, Confucianism supporting learning. The spirit and values where Confucianism's meaning is living and breathing are deeply inscribed in printing woodblocks. Inscriptions on wood are the treasures of the world as they benefit many people for millions of years. 1,000 pages a day without a writing brush. These printing woodblocks are the very treasure of the school. Confucian printing woodblocks are the immortal recording inheritance containing the essence of Confucian scholars in the Joseon dynasty as they inscribed spirits of ancient sages on every letter. Andong in the southeastern region used to be called the hometown of literature from ancient times. It was the land of the development of Confucian culture during the Joseon dynasty, with the most remaining heritage of Confucian culture up to now. Confucian printing woodblocks are one among them. Authors or makers of Confucian printing woodblocks used to be the intellectual class and noblemen in the Joseon dynasty. In the caste society of the Joseon dynasty, they were willing to disregard their status but realize the great unity society where everyone is entitled the same quality from the heaven. What could be done to correct the confusing world? The spirit of Confucian scholars in the Joseon dynasty who first disciplined themselves from the inside, which laid the ground in controlling their home, further governed their region, and finally put the whole country into order and peace. The consciousness of the community before hundreds of years, where the methodology was made public for the life as a human, has been handed down every corner in the Korean society up to now. Confucian scholars in the intellectual group during the Joseon dynasty kept relationships from their teachers to their disciples and from their disciples to their disciples again to realize their Confucian values and ideals through Confucian printing woodblocks as their connection to the learning and spirit for 500 years. At the center, the clans and schools in the region were standing to share and disseminate the spirit of Confucianism.